Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Fernando. With me is the NU20 Classic that builds on the legacy of the NU20 released back in 2015 and the NU25 released in 2017, giving you back that classic look and feel that gives you a blend of tradition and innovation, all while maintaining the lightweightness, making it the lightest headlamp in the market today. Let's jump right into it. When you purchase the new NU20 Classic, you will get the NU20 Classic as well as a lightweight, reflective, and glow-in-the-dark headband and a fast-charging USB-C cable. Nitecore is bringing back the classic look, stripping all the way down to a lightweight cord. It is built out of PC material, making it feather lightweight just like its previous models, weighing only 1.34 ounces. Not only is it feather light, but it's also rather small, measuring 2.05 inches by 1.3 inches by 0.96 inches. Let's talk about the upgraded LED. It went from a Cree XP-G2 to Nitecore's new UHE LED that gives you a more focused beam that makes the luminosity appear much brighter and also gives you a longer throw of 120 yards with a maximum lumen output of 360 lumens. Also giving you that eye-friendly glow that minimizes eye strain. The NU20 Classic comes with a primary white light, as well as two auxiliary lights, the high CRI white light and also a red auxiliary light. Also having red flashing as well as SOS and beacon, the NU20 Classic has multiple brightness with the beloved settings that you all know and love, such as the direct turn to ultralight, as well as direct access to the red light and also to turbo. It comes with a built-in 500 mAh lithium ion battery, and new to this upgraded model is the charging port, having changed from a micro USB to now a USB-C for faster and more convenient charging. Paired with that and also new is this power indicator, 4 blue LEDs that show you the battery level percentage. And it is also functional while charging. Let's take it outside for some beam shots. Here we have the low mode at 1 lumen for 97-hour runtime, mid at 38 lumens for 7-hour runtime. Then we could jump up to high on 200 lumens for 5-hour runtime. Then turbo at 360 lumens for a 2-hour runtime. Aside of all the upgrades, Nitecore retains all the classic and familiar clicks and feel for those who prefer not to adapt. It's very easy to use. To access the primary white light, when the headlamp is off, you short press the power button to access white low. And after 3 seconds of no operation, when you short press the power button again, it will turn off. Now to switch from the different brightness levels on the primary white light, after you turn it on, you want to quickly press it again to access medium and high. And then when the light is on, you hold and press for 1 second the power button and you will access turbo. After 3 seconds of no operation, the headlamp will turn off when you press the power button again. Now to access the auxiliary white light, when the headlamp is off, you just hold and press the power button for 1 second and it will turn on the auxiliary white light. If there is no operation after 3 seconds, you short press the power button or the R button to turn it off. To access the red auxiliary light, you want to short press the R button and quickly press it again to access red high as well as red flashing. And then after 3 seconds of no operation, you also click it again just to turn it off. Now you got the special modes SOS and beacon. When the headlamp is off, you just long press the power button for 3 seconds until SOS starts. Now after turning on the special mode, you want to short press the power button again within 3 seconds to cycle to the beacon and off. So you hold and press for 3 seconds and then quickly press it again to then go switch to beacon. You can also lock and unlock this headlamp by holding and pressing both buttons for 3 seconds until the headlamp flashes 3 times. That indicates that it's locked, and pressing any button will flash once, letting you know that this headlamp is locked. And then when it's locked, you want to hold and press both buttons for 3 seconds again until the white low is on, to indicate that it's back on. As an aspiring minimalist myself, I can really appreciate how Nitecore decided to strip down all the way to a lightweight cord right here as opposed to the original headband. When I was trying this on for the beam shots, I realized I could barely feel it on my forehead, and I'm assuming that's very important for a lot of you who work long nights in long, say, expeditions. You want something that barely makes any more space / weight on your backpack that's already 50+ pounds, and something you can comfortably wear for a very long time. And despite it being very lightweight, it also has a very strong lumen output. as it has the new Nitecore UHE LED, giving it a little more focused beam. The brightness seems to be a lot brighter and also goes a lot further, which is very important to spot things out in the wild. And with the price tag of $24.95 and its upgraded new features, the NU20 Classic stands out as a top choice for ultralight headlamps. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.